Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to teach you lesson the canary. There are many birds and animals besides human beings in the world. Some birds and animals are very cute and friendly. Birds like parrot, canary, cuckoo, sparrow are brought up by the people for their sweet voice. Now, know about the canary. A canary is a yellow little bird 3 to 4 inches in length. It is generally found in Canarian Islands in Africa. It eats sugar, sweets, and plants. A canary is a very friendly bird. Now, I shall read some paragraphs. You will put your finger on the lines and move it according to my reading so that you can read properly when you are asked. Now, let us start. The canary. Somu's father had given him a wonderful gift on his birthday, a little yellow canary. Somu named her Molly. Molly sang softly and sweetly. At first, Somu looked after the bird. Each day he cleaned her cage, gave her seeds and fresh water. At tea time, he gave her a lump of sugar. Molly was very happy in her cage. Molly's friends were very jealous of her. Somu's friends would come to see Molly every day. She would sing sweet songs for them. After some weeks, Somu lost interest in Molly. Now it was no longer fun to look after her. One day he did not clean the cage. Another day he did not feed her. And then, worst of all, he forgot to give her water. Molly was very unhappy. Somu loved her no longer, and she could not sing because she was so thirsty. She went to her water dish, hoping there might be just a drop of water, but there wasn't any. Now, meaning Somu's father had given him a wonderful gift on his birthday, a little yellow canary. What did Somu's father give him? A little yellow canary. When when did he give? On his birthday. Somu's father had given him a gift. What type of gift? A yellow canary. What is canary? Canary is a singing bird. What was the name of the boy? Somu. Somu named her Molly. What was Molly? Molly was the name of canary. Somu named her Molly. Somu named that bird, that canary, Molly. Molly sang softly and sweetly. Molly, that is canary, is a singing bird, and it sang softly and sweetly. At first, Somu looked after the bird. In the beginning, Somu cared a lot to the bird. Each day, every day, he cleaned her cage. Her cage was cleaned by him every day in the beginning. Gave her seeds to eat. He gave seeds to the bird every day. He fed the bird with seeds and every day served fresh water. At tea time, he gave her a lump of sugar. At Tea time, he gave sufficient sugar, and the Molly was very happy. Why Molly was happy? Because Somu cared him a lot. Molly was very happy in her cage, in her enclosure. Although she was in enclosure, but she was very happy because she was cared by her master Somu. Molly's friends were very jealous of her. Molly's friend, other birds, were very jealous, envious of Molly because Molly was looked after properly by Somu. Every day, Somu cleaned her cage. Every day, Somu fed with seeds and fresh water. Somu's friend would come to see Molly every day to listen musical sound from Molly, and his friends were happy to see Molly. She would sing sweet song for them, for Somu's friends. She used to sing sweet song. After some weeks, in the beginning, Somu cared a lot, but after some weeks, Somu lost interest in Molly. Why did he lose interest? Because he got another thing. Children have very fickle mind. So now it was no longer fun to look after her. They were very happy to look after Molly, but now they lost interest and it was no longer fun. Now it was not fun for him to look after her. One day he did not clean the cage. He forgot to clean the cage in which Molly was living. Another day he did not feed her. He did not serve food. And then, worst of all, he forgot to give water. He did not even give water. And it was the worst because without water, it's very difficult to survive. Molly was very unhappy. Now, in the beginning, Molly was very happy. Now, she became very unhappy because she was not looked after properly by her master Somu, and she had no food, so she was very unhappy. Somu loved her no longer. Somu lost interest in her. Somu loved her no longer. Means Somu did not love, and she could not sing because she was so thirsty. She could not sing. She was not able to sing because she was thirsty, because she was hungry. She went to her water dish. She went to her water pot to see is there any drop of water, hoping there might be just a drop of water, but there wasn't any. She was thirsty, so she knew that there was no water. Even then, she used to go there to find some drop of water, but she did not get. Okay, I think you have understood, and you will read the lesson properly 3 times. Thank you for listening.